Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really comfortable office chair. This is actually designed as like a big and tall man's chair. It actually holds up to 400 pounds, but it's built extremely well, extremely sturdy, and it has a lot of versatile features that I want to briefly go over. It does have all metal design, so as far as the legs, which is very nice, those are going to last for a long time. Nice casters that tend to glide over carpet, as well as hard surface really well. You have a couple of adjustments down here that you can push in to lock in your back or pull out, and it can easily recline, and that's really nice because it has this nice lumbar area here that you can adjust as well. A three-dimensional headrest that you can pull up for resting, gaming, that tilts forwards, backwards, and can go up or down, so it fits pretty much any size frame. Love the fact that the arms can go up and down, padded, so if you have a different height of desk, you can kind of take some strain off of your arms, and they can retract back so that if you're needing to get up and move out of the chair, that's a really convenient feature as well. This also has a couple of other nice designs that I like. One is the fact that it has this knob on the back that you can adjust to raise or lower this lumbar area here, and that can lock into place with that there. And it is all this nice mesh, which allows a lot of breathability, so if you're in the chair for a long time, this can help aid as far as the temperature control within the room. Very thick padding, and this would work great in pretty much any office or gaming environment.